If you're convinced that cold and cough medication is the only thing that can help your child, then this video is not for you. But as a clinical nutritionist with over 7 years of experience, I can tell you that even the FDA warns against using over-the-counter cold and cough medications for children who are under the age of 2. Even manufacturers will label them, do not use under 4 or do not use under 2, because the risk outweighs the benefits. Ingredients like decongestants and some antihistamines are not even made for kids. They can cause drowsiness, rapid heart rate, and even seizures in some children. And overlapping ingredients in some of these medications can lead to accidental overdose. Now, I know it's hard watching your child cough endlessly or struggle with a stuffy nose, but these medications only mask the symptoms temporarily. So instead of that, here is what actually works. Honey for kids over 1 actually soothes their throat and soothes the cough. Saline drops on a humidifier and some aromatherapy will help clear their passageways naturally. And you can't forget lots of fluids high in vitamin C and lots of rest. It really does do wonders. If you would like a proper step-by-step guide that will help your child recover faster and stay stronger, then you need to sign up for my immunity boosting course. And as a bonus, I'll give you my free immunity recipe book that is packed with meals that will do a better job than any cough syrup ever could.